morning, guys. How are you? So this morning, today is Sunday, and it's 10 o'clock a.m. 10 a.m. So there's nothing much to vlog this morning because I will be going to work. Then I'll just have my breakfast, do my some simple makeup, then off I go to work. I forgot my milk at home, so I have to take another one here. I bought my snack. I bought banana and my milk. So I'm heading back to the car now. So guys, that's what I went into the shop to buy, and I'm actually almost late now, so I have to rush to work now. Hi guys, it's a wonderful, beautiful Monday bank holiday afternoon. I just finished my shift yesterday. I think I told you guys that I was going to work, but I decided not to vlog and do all those because I've done it in one video before. So I've got into my town and I just want to pick something, a filthy very snack actually for my little boy. He ran out of his snacks, so I'm going into Lidl now quickly, then I'll get the snacks for him, then quickly go back home, rest. You can see my eyes, I'm tired, yeah, so I'll quickly sleep. Then when I wake up, I'll look for something that I'm going to cook and share with you guys. But for now, there's nothing much. All right, thank you all my subscribers. I can see the channel is growing. Thanks very much everybody. I appreciate you guys. So now I'm back into the car and I'm going home. So when I get home, I will show you what I bought. See you at home. So guys, I'm home and I want to show you all the things that I bought. And Sandra, you helped me to be putting them in the freezer. So we bought burger from Lidl. Chicken burger is very nice. That's where we buy it from Lidl. At times we do buy from that, but Lidl products is so nice. Then we bought 6 rolls. Is that BAP? Just white rolls. Okay, 6 white rolls. All right. So we bought 2 of this. I just want to change. I didn't buy the burger bread. I want them to use the roll for the burger buns. And we bought chicken. Does that go into the fridge? Okay. So we bought sweet corn because they like to snack on it, and I bought this for my girl because I got to that aisle and I didn't know what to pick for anybody because this minute they want it, the next day they don't want it again. So I picked this for my girl. And this party selection for my boys. I think this was €2, €2.90, and these ones were, I think, $1.99. I'm not really sure. This was 99 cents. This was €1.29. I can still remember. Alex opened his own. So this is $1.29. I bought 3 of, so that they'll take it one each. Yeah. And I bought one. I think this is peach. Yeah, peaches. I bought one basket of it, which was 99 cents. It was on sales. And I bought nectarines. I bought 2 baskets, 99 cents each. So then I bought egg, $2.85. That's 18 pieces of egg. That's all I bought. Hey guys, so my oven is dirty, so I want to wash it, because I noticed that when I'm grilling, I smelled something smoky, so it shows that it's dirty, so I need to wash it. But unfortunately, I don't have the degreaser. What's that thing called now? Degreaser, Sha. I don't have it at home, so I'm going to make do with what I have. So look at my oven. So because I don't have the degreaser, I'm going to use this. It's called multi-use soap pads. So it has soap in it already. So all I just need to do is just dip it in water and start washing it. You see it foam, it will be foaming. So it's like a sponge, the iron sponge with soap. Bought it in Lidl. It's pack of 10. It's actually very good. I've used it to wash my pot, and it's really did the job well. So this is it. I'm going to wash now, and I'll show you how it looks later. Now guys, this is the best results I was able to achieve without the degreaser I was talking about. So at least it's okay. It's better than the way it was. So when I get the degreaser, I will give it a thorough wash. So now I want to make a smoked fish. I want to make smoked mackerel. So now I'll show you my steps. What I do if I smoke my mackerel. So I have my mackerel here. So mackerel, and I'm going to smoke it. So I want to cook a foriro. So I will smoke it now and cook there for maybe today or tomorrow. Sprinkle salt. So that, yeah. And off it goes into the oven. I'll let it. I'll put it on 170. electric oven. Yeah, so 170. See, that is what we call motherhood. I came back from work, I've not rested, and when I got home my boys said they want to go get milkshake somewhere, that I should drive them there. They did not even think, oh, she needs to rest. So, and I've given them my word. Even if I couldn't do it anyways, I would have told them I can't. But because I just wanted to, so I'm going to drive them to the place where they're going to get their milkshake. Then from there, we will go to the gym. Then maybe when I come back, I'll have time to rest. I'll have time to rest. If there is anything to vlog when we get there, I will vlog. If there is nothing, then I will see you guys later. Bye. Yeah, I'm waiting in the car for my boys to come out from the milkshake shop. They've gone in to buy the milkshake, so I'm just waiting for them in the car. So I can't wait for them to come out so that I can go home to sleep. At least I pleased them and make them happy. That's what we call motherhood, feeling your duty. So hi guys. So we've gotten home from the place where we went to buy the smoothie or milkshake rather. So now I'm preparing I'm just doing prep for my foriro, but definitely I'm not going to cook it this night. I'm not going to cook it today because I am tired. I've not rested since I came back from work. So I'm going upstairs now. I just had my dinner. So I'm going upstairs now and I'll try to have some rest. But let me show you guys what I'm doing. Preparing. So tomorrow I'm going to cook my efo riro. But I'm boiling my momo, my shaki, and the stockfish. Then I'm still grilling the fish. I'll show you everything. I have my momo and shaki here. Yep. This is the stockfish. Still cooking. And my fish is still grilling. So that's the only thing I can do tonight. And tomorrow I will do the rest. So thanks for watching. There is nothing to do now. There's nothing to vlog because I'm just going upstairs now to go lie down and have some rest in bed. And the things that I'm boiling, my daughter will come and switch it off for me later. So there is no more stories to talk about. So I'll see you tomorrow, and thanks very much for watching. See you. Bye.